Let me show you how to automatically update all outdated apps on your Android. Just in 1 minute. Open your Play Store app. Next, click on your profile icon at the top. Click on Manage Apps and Device. As you can see, I have 6 apps that need updates. Click on Updates Available to see the apps that needs to be updated. You can update each app manually by tapping the Update button. Tap Update All for automatic update. This will auto-update all apps. Please subscribe, like, and share video if helpful. All apps updated. To check, see Recent Update. Click on Manage. This device, Update Available. When yours is showing, you're all set. Great, you did it. Please subscribe, like, and comment.